ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಈ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ವರ್ಮ ಅವರು ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ 3 ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದೀಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದು 4ನೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂತ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೇಜ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಅವರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಮೃತ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋ
ಹನುಮಾನ್ ನಮ್ ಗಾಡ್, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವರು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ಮೂವಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹನುಮಾನ್. ಅವ್ರ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ದನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ garu ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಮೀ.
So ma'am, Chaitanya ma'am, the visuals and hearing the story then.
Namaskaram everyone. Ellarigu namaskaram. Initially when we started the story, there was not so much discussion about the VFX. So it was just about the Hanuman powers, how that small town boy gets it and what happens. So we were not imagining the scale of VFX and this kind of environment. There was a fantasy village called Anjanadri, and it's the story happened in that place. But later on when we are into the story, we wanted to make this content throughout the worldwide. Then we realized that the VFX needs to be in such a way so everyone can see it and everyone can understand the mythological powers and the characteristics of what the superheroes we have. The story, as story demands, we increased the budget and it went on. And now after seeing the trailer, I was like, me and Niranjan was jumping and it was so good. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. So
I deliberately took break for 5-6 years. Then I started my trials again back in 2013. But it was a very difficult struggle for me to get back into films. I was giving auditions all around, going to all the offices around. But it took me about 5 years to get back. Then I debuted with OBB again.
Actually, I heard you actually say some dialogues in Kannada. You sure?
I don't want to spoil all the stars I love. I don't want to spoil the dialogue.
Maybe if I can say
I'm a huge fan of Shivanas. I'm a huge fan of Sudeep sir.
Shivana and Sudeep sir are fabulous.
So I don't want to spoil the dialogues, okay?
But still, if I can recite something, can you please repeat it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, probably. Can I go with Yash dialogue?
Yeah, definitely.
You are from KGF.
Make it simple, no? Please.
Yeah, it is actually simple. So, ತುಂಬಾ simple ಆಗಿದೆ. So, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Anyways, okay.
See, you don't know the dialogue.
Yeah. No, I know the dialogue, but I'm just thinking, will that be okay if I'm saying the dialogue?
Don't slip by you, hello, madam. Light at all.
Not in the mind, you don't know the dialogue.
Okay. ಡಾನ್ ಆದೋನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋ 10 ಜನನು ಡಾನ್ಗಳೇ. ಡಾನ್ಗಳೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ ನಂತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಮೂವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ತೆಲುಗು ಮೂವಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಲೀಸು ಆಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಮೂವಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಈ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡಿವೋಷನಲ್ ಮೂವಿ, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಮೂವಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ garu ಐತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಸೆಡ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಅದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವಿನ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್. ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. KRG ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ Jan 12 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಮೂವಿನ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊರು?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನೈಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂವಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ನಾನು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೂವಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲ್.
We initially planned to release this movie in last year May, but see how things connect. We strongly believe that there's a divine power that has been guiding through us the whole thing, because we are two young boys. Niranjan garu has been sitting in US. We've not promoted it anywhere outside Hyderabad. We just released our teaser trailer on YouTube, and we've got all this response from across the globe. So and then we were not able to complete the final product by May, so we had to postpone it by 6 months. So then Sankranti was the closest holiday season for us to have a release, and coincidentally Ram Mandir is also opening. So I think there is definitely a divine connection behind everything happening for this film. This was not anything intentional, but as you said regarding the responsibility on us with this film, we all know Lord Hanuman in a certain way. When you look at Lord Hanuman, we all know him in a certain way. So we are going to project him in the same way. And to clear any doubts, this is not a film about Lord Hanuman, but this is a fun film. This is a superhero film. This will have a lot of action. This will have songs. This will have small love interest, emotions, and superhero action plots. To all this, we even have God element to it, and if you are a Hanuman Bhakt, definitely I am telling you, you will have goosebumps moments in this film for sure. But predominantly, this is not a God film. Yeah, that's what I would say.
Just to add to that question, whenever we postponed in May and when we are planning to release in Jan or some other date, we never have a certain announcement from India government or Ayodhya temple that Jan 22nd is the inauguration of the temple. Somehow it is happening. So whatever we are trying, God is giving us 100 times encouragement and strength and everything. So this is just a fortune that we are, coming in the same timelines, and everybody throughout the world is looking forward to that emotion, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman kind of a thing. And we are also, whatever the way we could do, we are also supporting that. But it's not intentional, it happened. So, yeah.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ತೇಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ
So we didn't need any research. This is about a boy in a fictional town called Anjanadri. We built a world around it. This is a world that we have built in. This is a world that we have built in graphics. So it is about a boy in a village who has no strength to fight anybody. What if this guy gets superpowers with the blessings of Lord Hanuman? This is the idea of the story. So I didn't have to research much about our itihasas or anything, but Prashant Verma garu, my director, he has done a lot of research regarding Itihasas or Ramayana or Anjali Swami in another way, but that is not totally related to the film.
ತೇಜ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅವ್ರ 3 ಜೊತೆಗೂ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್?
Sir, I grew up watching them. They've encouraged me. I grew up working with them. They've encouraged me. I'm hoping they will even encourage me now when I'm coming along with them.
ತೇಜಸ್
Sir.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಲುಗಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಲುಗುలోనే చేయాలి అనుకుంటే తర్వాత ప్యాన్ ఇండియాగా రావాలనుకుంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్?
Sir, that is not intentional, sir. We wanted to make a story about an Indian boy, about our culture, about our itihasas, a connection with our itihasas, our Hindu itihasas. But when we released the content online, when we started releasing the output, we have been getting calls from across the globe that they want to buy the film, they want to distribute the film. This is how the idea of releasing it in different languages has started. And when we are getting so much reception and love from across India, definitely we would like to release it in all Indian languages, sir. That is how it is going pan India, sir. We didn't plan it to make it pan India, sir.
ಆದಿಪುರುಷರು ಬಂದಾಗ
ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತೆಲುಗಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನಿ ಜಂಡಾ ಪೈ ಕಪಿರಾಜ್, ಲೈಕ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶ್ರೇಯನ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ సినిమాಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ రిపీట్ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ అంటే ఈ ತರ ఫ్లేవర్ గా ఉండే సినిమాలు తెలుగులో కూడా వచ్చాయి, కన్నడలో కూడా వచ్చాయి. తర్వాత మీరు కూడా ఎందుకు ఆ జోనర్ నే ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్?
సార్ సూపర్ హీరో సినిమా ఇప్పటివరకు వచ్చేది తెలుగులో అసలు రాలేదు సార్. సూపర్ హీరో ఫిల్మ్ అనేది ఎలాగైతే ఒక సూపర్ హీరో ఫిల్మ్.
హనుమాన్ పవర్.
Yes, sir. That is what I'm telling you. This film is majorly about a superhero, sir. Just like Spider-Man, Batman. This is about an Indian superhero, but he's blessed with the powers of Lord Hanuman. As you said, in Sri Anjaneyam or in Bajrangi or in any film, there is nothing of this sort, sir. This is a totally different story altogether. There is no connection, there is no relevance between both the films. Only relevance is Lord Hanuman. That is it, sir. Other than that, there is no other relevance. But I can say one thing proudly, that this will be one of the first films of this genre that you are going to watch connecting superhero with our itihasas, sir.
Hi Teja, here. On your right side.
Hello, sir.
Prashant Verma Cinematic Universe ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವಾರು ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
So the idea is to, if touch wood, if you all make this film a big success and give us power, strength and opportunity to make more films in this universe, the idea is to get other gods powers and give them to other normal people, sir. That is the idea. It is not to continue Hanuman, sir. Hanuman is one superhero, sir. The next superhero will be a different person. So that is how he is going to build the universe. Maybe in future, if needed, Hanuman also will be part of other superhero films.
ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಏನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ತೆಲುಗು ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೂವಿದು ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲವು ಪೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ.
There is some permission issue, sir. That is it, sir.
Hanuman's pre-release event is not cancelled. That's some other song.
Sir, did you ask about Hanuman? No. Hanuman release event is on 7th, sir. That is tomorrow. It is being graced by megastar Chiranjeevi Garu, sir. It is happening. I thought you asked me about another
trailer launch event.
No, sir. Nothing is cancelled.
No. We are doing a releasing trailer tomorrow, released by Chiranjeevi Garu and Hyderabad. It's on and we are doing it tomorrow evening. Yes. There was a confusion. Maybe other movie got cancelled today because of permission issues. But Hanuman is going on. Yes.
Tejas Ajay, preparations ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಈ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ
ಸರ್
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಕಾಂತಾರ ಮೂವಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ನಟರು ಸಹ ಈ ರೀತಿ ದೇವರು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ನೀವು?
ಸರ್, we've shot this film for 2 years, sir. So not throughout the 2 years, but definitely while we were shooting for the film, we followed all the niyamalu we say in Telugu. So we followed all that, sir.
ಆದಿಪುರುಷ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆದಿಪುರುಷಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಕಂಪೇರ್ VFX ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ VFX ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ?
Very big question. Last part, you just explained the last part. First part all I understood.
నేను చెప్తాను. ఆదిపురుష్ వచ్చినప్పుడు టీజర్ రిలీజ్ అయినప్పుడు హనుమాన్ టీజర్ కూడా రిలీజ్ అయ్యిండే. సో అప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే మీకు రోల్స్ మిమ్స్ అయ్యింది అంటే ఆదిపురుష్ కంపేర్ చేశారు. ఆ VFX కన్నా ఈ VFX బాగుంది అని. సో దాని గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? VFX ఎంత కష్టం అంటే ఎంత పని చేశారు?
Ma'am, on the to talk about this, firstly, comparing 500 crore film with our film is not right at all. We are not even 10% of their budget. We have put in 100% effort to make this film look very grand, ma'am. How do I tell you? From last 1.5 year, Prashant sir is only on one job to make it look very grand. So our intention, we are not saying that we have made a Bahubali or Adipurusha or anything. We are very small. We've made a very small film, but it is looking grand because of the kind of CG that Prashant garu achieved. So I don't want to comment about the trolls or anything that happened regarding Adipurusha, but regarding CG, we'll be in a good space. In our budget, in our capacity, we have done the best, man. Sir, Yash sir has done KGF. We all have welcomed him across India, sir. I hope you all also welcome me across India.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಮೃತ ಇರೋಗೆ ನೀವು ತೆಲುಗುನಲ್ಲಿ, ತಮಿಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, ನಾನೊಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ 4 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಅವಾಗ ವಿನಯ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವರು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೂವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಚೂರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಕಿಡಿಶ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, I'm Rajan from Suman TV. So,
Hi.
What was your experience working with Teja?
Teja, he's a brilliant actor only.
Yes.
Brilliant actor because I think from childhood ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಗರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಗರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಗರ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 8-9 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ different from each other. So I think it was really nice, and from 2 years now work ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. I think he's a very good actor, and you guys should encourage him.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు తేజ గారు, సో యాక్చువల్లీ మేము మీ సినిమాని చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తూ ఉన్నాము. సో వి ఆల్ వర్క్ టుగెదర్, యూ కుడ్ సే. కమింగ్ టు ఇన్ దిస్ మూవీ వరలక్ష్మి గారు కూడా యాక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. షీ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ యాక్ట్రెస్. సో వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ వరలక్ష్మి గారు? అండ్ ఆల్సో మీకు షూటింగ్ టైంలో ఒక పాము వచ్చిందండి కదా, కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ దట్ మూమెంట్?
సార్, Varu Garu is a great actor, sir. Definitely, when we act with great actors, definitely my acting also improves, sir. I will also be giving better performance because of the reciprocation that I keep getting from the other actor. She's made the set very comfortable. She's a senior. She was very busy, but she had all the top films that release in Telugu in her hand back then when we were shooting for Hanuman, sir. But she has given her utmost priority to Hanuman just because she likes the story and she liked the hard work that Prashant sir or Niranjan Garu has been putting for the film. That is the only reason she's given her everything for this film. And she's been promoting also. Yesterday in Chennai she was there. Today she had some prior commitment, so she's not here. It was great time working with Varu Garu. And your second question, sir, sorry?
Yeah, snake.
So we were shooting in a jungle, sir. It was... so I might switch into Telugu also in the middle because expression comes in Telugu.
You can call me Rajiv. No, sir.
Yeah. So I'll try to tell in English, but in case. So we were shooting in a jungle. So I took about 6 to 7 takes for one action shot. I was doing next to a bush in a jungle. My makeup man director was very far away. He was watching from the monitor, and my makeup man was constantly trying to talk something. And suddenly Prashant sir was saying, okay, roll camera, action, cut, roll camera. This fast he was going. So my makeup man was trying to tell me again and again. So after 3-4 times I asked him, hey, what is the matter? He's giving order, why are you interrupting me in the middle? So he said, sir, me yanakala edo. I just jumped and watched. It was a big snake. It was right here. I was very lucky, nothing happened to me. I think there is some divine power because I was sitting there for 15 minutes doing the same shot, disturbing the whole atmosphere. There were many instances like this during Hanuman, sir. Many physical accidents we've missed, many things. Everything fell in place, and I think some divine power has helped us get through the whole process.
So, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Kannada are a huge Hanuman Bharat, and also me, like from our team, and there are so many other celebrities in Telugu like Chiranjeevi Garu, and there are so many other actors, even Ramcharan. Everybody follows Hanuman to the greater extent. That was we did some attempt to show you how the Hanuman look and everything. So if you guys come and watch it on Jan 12th, you will be mesmerized with the presentation we made about that.
Okay, maybe Martha
After watching many Kannada films, I don't need translation now. I can at least 90% I'm able to make it out, but I can't talk now. But I'll definitely try. Maybe in a couple of years I might talk in Kannada also.
Anyways, ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ.
Film about a superhero, an Indian superhero. It has connections with Indian itihasas. Please do come to theaters on Jan 12th along with your whole family. You will have a great time. This film caters to kids from 3-year-olds to everybody. So for every Sankranti in our culture in South India, in our culture basically, we are used to watching 3 to 4 films for Sankranti holiday season. So this film will be a solid entertainer, a family film for all of you. And about my director Prashant Garu. Prashant Garu is a creative, brilliant director from Hyderabad. He has put in his 100% effort. He's not here today. So he's missing the event because he's getting the copy ready. So I hope you all encourage our team, and special thanks to my producer Niranjan Garu, who has made this dream come alive. Thank you.